Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can rename your files and your drafts in v.io. So go ahead and open the Chrome OS browser on your PC and go to v.io. Now log into your account. You can see these are your recent videos. Now to rename it, there are two options. The first one is clicking on these three lines and clicking on rename. You can rename your file accordingly and press rename afterwards. And if you reload this page, you can see that your file has been renamed. Now the second step how you can rename is go ahead and clicking edit on the file which you want to rename. So click edit. Wait for a while as v.io will slowly load in your browser. You can see the file name on the top of your screen. Click on it, press backspace on your keyboard and write down the name of your file which you want to save and press done. And you can see that the changes have been saved and this has been saved to your draft again. So that was it, guys. That's how you rename your files and drafts in v.io. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.